Hi friends, how are you my friends Chevroleteros? I hope you are very well because today I will share some really interesting information since we will deal with one of the vehicles of your interesting, which is extremely attractive and covered covered today. Which one do you think we will talk about? Well, of the famous Chevrolet Silverado 400 SS, below I will share some data or characteristics of this type of truck, such as the reasons for its names, colors, and manufacturing models. So, if you are what you claim it or has the idea that the 400 SS, it is called 400, because it has that engine or because it has a 400 transmission. Let me tell you that you have been in a huge error. You neither have the engine nor the transmission. Although the 454 SS was inspired by this truck is Gringa, is your sister. It was named after its engine. In the Mexican pickups number 400, it is taken from how the platform of the pickups 88 to 98 in United States, or 82 to 88, sorry, 92 or 98 in Mexican was called, the platform was called GMT 400. What does GMT mean? GMT mean is General Motors Trucks. What is a platform? The classic engine, transmissions, suspension, set development for a certain car. Every time we say that it is the new generation of X cars, it's a new platform opens. Basically, the 400 is strokes. It was an aesthetic package in which things change compared to the normal Cheyenne on the outside, such as bumper, the body color, and really on the 92 to 93 models in black, then to the corresponding body colors on the models 98. You can identify the train with the red accents. You can identify the train with the red accents. So what makes it is special. We is well the only Chevy pickups in Mexico that has steep side box options. Also, in a matter of colors, it can be mentioned that they were manufactured only in four colors. These were red, white, black, and only for the years 92 to 98, most green was introduced. And this color changing the later to Esmeralda green for models from 99 to 2005. This truck was discontinued in 2005 when General Motors discontinued the steep side boxes, its main feature. Although from 92 to 98, there is also a fleet size box. These trucks is a recognized for the 5.7 liters engine that was implemented only the 90 models, which provide 255 HP and 330 torque, as opposite to the 5.3 engine that was implemented only from the 2000 to 2005 models, which has 285 HP and 325 torque. You could say that because the trucks with the 5.3 engine have more power than those with 5.7, simply because it has more horsepower, providing better fuel efficiency and additional to the LS type of transmission, which make the much more power. This is the option. The chain box for as in additional to the front parts. I mentioned that do the facts that there are many imitations. Signs to a normal change. They only shine the box for a steep side in additional. Now, first, I ask you, do you know how the identify true originals 400 SS? Simple, to the facts that the invoice for the trucking must mention the version being offered in this case. I mentioned the significant key package. I mentioned this do you do to the facts that there are many imitations. Thanks to a normal chain, the only shines the box for a steep side in additional to the front parts, and they practically look identical. However, this is not original from the factory. The platform they have. With this, we can conclude on this topic, and these are some of the significant details of the 400 Super Sport Chevrolet. And now, in my opinion, I consider that are definitely a type or line of Onyx trucks, since they are very beautiful in my opinion and comfortable without leaving the sport aspect. Is algo is characteristic in addition to the fact that they were no longer manufacturing. Nowadays, they are heavily sought after. That is why being in good condition, very good condition, they have a lot of value. Even many people consider them overboard. However, it is not like the science. It is of great satisfaction having not on today.